Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Blender. We'll be talking about a new feature that's present in Blender 2.90, and the feature is to convert a 3D mesh, into a grease pencil or a cartoon figure. So for that point, we'll start by adding another mesh into our scene. Let's add the ecosphere. Let's move it up. We can actually give it a color as well to the ecosphere. So let's just give it a color. And then we give it a color. It could be like, I don't know, red or maybe blue. I feel like it should be green. Okay. And then our cube could be the color. It could be red. Okay. Cube is red. And then let's add a figure like a mesh. Could be a torus or a cone. Okay. Let's add a cone. The cone could be a color of the cone. Could be I don't know. You guys choose. Maybe blue, red, green, blue, RGB. Okay, so now to convert this 3D mesh into a cartoon, it's very simple. You simply go to here. You select the objects you want to one by one or all of them. Let's try all of them, and then convert to, and then grease pencil from curved mesh, and that's it. Boom! You have an amazing cartoon-like surface. It's quite cool, actually. As you can see, they're quite cool. The surface of the cone. This might be or might not be what you want for the cartoon, and this is the mesh, the cartoon we're looking for. So it's quite good, actually. Quite nice. I enjoyed this feature very much. So thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and see you later.